डोंट लुक जाएंगे हम लोग। इसको थोड़ा सा साइड में देता हूँ ताकि आवाज़ आए मेरी भी और आपकी भी।
मेरे को लिंक सेंड कर देना सर एमपी पे।
ओके, लाइव स्ट्रीम हम वी आर लाइव, तो अभी कोई देख नहीं रहा वैसे स्ट्रीम को, 0 वाचिंग। लाइव विद मनीष यार 28
यस
CSE। Okay. Hi Nikhil. We are live with Manish, and he secured all India rank 28 this year. So, if you have any doubts, if you want to ask about your preparation, how to do the preparation, you can ask him right now. Hi Rohan. So there are 5 people who are watching the stream. These 1 people are watching the stream. So somewhere around 50 to 60 people will come in a short while. Okay. So you can share anything if you like about how you prepared and what are your motivations. Hi Teju. Okay, so we are live with Manish. So hello Manish.
Hello everybody.
Okay, so every time when I say his name, I say Machine. Okay, so Manish, when you are still in, okay, yes. So this is a delay.
Okay.
We have a delay around 30 seconds or something. So generally, for example, this is live. Okay, and when we stream, it is having a delay of 30 seconds. Okay, so things to know. I don't know what is your name. Please write your name first. Okay, and Saurav, what is DMS? Okay, so he's asking a whole year study plan and revision. So how many revisions you have done, and what was your study plan?
See, I made my notes early means I started preparation around 3rd year in September month. So I made my notes in first 6 or 7 months. So after that, I was ready with my notes. So whenever I was in classrooms or in any place, I revised my notes. Means I was in classrooms or home or any other place too. So I revised. I don't know how many times I revised too also. And in the last month, that around Jan and Feb, it was revision and the test series only.
Okay, Raju Yadav is saying congratulations,
Thanks,
and
thanks.
Saurav is also there.
Thank you.
Okay, so everyone is congratulating. Okay, so Manish, see, we know that you have done you're still in your BTech, and you have done your BTech in electrical background.
Yes.
And now you changed it to computer science. So
Yes.
what was your motivation for changing from electrical to computer science?
See, means around 2nd year, I was much interested in, means I started with programming. I learned the basic C, and then I did a bit of competitive programming. So I was average competitive programmer. So then I thought GATE as the shortest way to enter the CS industry. So I gave it and got an all India rank of 28. It's a good thing for me.
Okay, great. And sir, Venkata is asking how many days or months required for preparation?
See, it completely depends upon you and how many hours you can give on a daily basis. You will see in toppers blogs that someone mentions that I studied for 12 hours per day, but it was very difficult for me. So I think it just depends on you and how much efforts are you willing to give.
Okay, so see, how do you manage your time? So that is again an important question. So I heard that you study at very early in the morning. So what was your daily schedule for studying and college? Because you have to manage all the college assignments and even the gate preparation also. How you manage that?
See, I got up I got to generally early in the morning at around 3 or 4 a.m. So I studied from 3 or 4 to 8 a.m. in the morning. Then I had breakfast. Then I used to go to college or bunk the classes. So I had very pretty less attendance in my class. I remember one of my teachers said you have 7% attendance in that course in that semester. So I'm thankful to my teachers that they didn't give me backlogs for such a bad attendance. And so I studied as much as I could on a daily basis.
Okay. And even I heard that you also given SSB examination. I think you cleared SSB 6 times.
Not clear.
No, not clear. Okay.
Not
So you have given SSB 6 times,
Yeah.
and out of 6 times, 3 times you you spent all the 5 days
Yeah.
in SSB or in SSB.
Okay, in first 3 semester of my college I was busy in giving SSBs, so I learned a lot from them. I know how it feels to say 6 times to my parents that hello, mummy or papa, I couldn't make it this time. So that's why I wanted to make it in first attempt. I was very serious about gate preparation, so I think it also helped me a lot.
Okay, so Lakshman is asking how to prepare for GATE 2018 CSE. I am 30 year student Gwalior, and online coaching or offline coaching, what do you suggest? What should be the better one?
See, I suggest you offline coaching because you can prepare from your home only. As you can see in YouTube also, there are a lot of video lectures. You can take them. Just make your notes. Notes are a must because it will help you a lot and throughout this preparation phase. So make your own notes. Don't ask any topper to give him notes, and don't follow any topper blindly. Just use your common sense that is it good to study 12 hours or not. I think it's Sachin is congratulating me. So
Okay, Sachin is sitting right here.
so I think it's very difficult to study 10 plus hours for a long period. So make it a schedule of 6 to 7 hours and take it to long run. So I think it's pretty good to get you a good rank.
Okay, and Aditya is asking, sir, how did you prepare mathematics?
See, I was good in mathematics from class 12th only. So I didn't focus much on mathematics. Seriously, I'm telling you. So I just prepared I gave very less time to mathematics because I had a lot to cover.
Okay.
And you can, if you want to prepare mathematics, just take any textbooks because maths is very easy in GATE.
Okay, and Rajat is asking, hi, after reading concepts, where to solve questions, either textbook or directly previous year questions or from GATE overflow book? Please suggest.
Solve past year problems instead of going to any test series or anything, and GATE overflow is very good for that. Because you will be participating in discussions, reading the answers by experts like Arjun sir or Bikram sir, and many toppers have already written answers there.
Okay.
So I really suggest you GATE overflow.
Okay, so his name is, I think, Rajat. He also mentioned his name.
Things to know.
Okay, so things to know. His name is Raju Yadav. So
Okay.
Raju Yadav is asking, what is your sleeping and waking up time?
See, I wake up during that preparation phase. I generally woke up at around 3 or 4 a.m. for around 4 to 5 days on a week, and I slept at around 10 p.m.
Okay, and Rohan is asking, which book should I follow for theory of competition?
So Peter Lynch, it's a standard, everyone knows.
Okay, and Lakshman, actually we are not publicizing any other coaching because you are asking this question from a wrong person at a wrong time at a wrong place because everyone is going to say my coaching is better, right? So okay, so Nikhil saying, sir, which is the best test series for CS? I am confused.
See, you can take any test series because I myself took 4 test series. So I didn't found anything as standard as compared to GATE, because if you take any test series, they give out of syllabus questions till now, and they are wrongly framed questions. And if a question is framed rightly, there are chances that you will get the wrong answers there. But there are good questions also. But I suggest you give test only after you do the past year problems of a subject.
Okay, and fine. So Aditya, okay, so the Aditya asks, how did you prepare mathematics? That is done. And okay, so do you have any other doubts regarding the preparation for the GATE preparation? Because maybe the next year, so are you planning to give GATE examination next year? No.
I'm happy to
So what are you going to take admission in IC Bangalore, or you are going to apply for IIT Bombay?
So most probably I'm going to IIT Bombay.
Okay, so why IIT Bombay, not IC Bangalore?
So because when I started preparations, I was clear in my mind that either I'm going to IIT Bombay or IIT KGP or I'm dropping. So
why IIT KGP?
because I don't have the right reasons, because I heard it a lot. I read a lot of links in Quora, and that's all.
Okay, so because from my point of view, I think the first three choices are IIT Bangalore, IIT Bombay, and IIT Delhi, and then IIT Kanpur. So I don't know, you're the first one who said IIT KGP.
Yeah, I made it in my mind. I don't know why.
Okay. So Aditya is asking, sir, how did you prepare data structures and algorithm, and did you do competitive programming? What to focus for standard textbooks, concepts, or questions given back?
See, gate questions are gate questions in DS and Algo, they are very easy. You don't need to do competitive programming for that. They are fairly easy. And for C programming and DS Algo questions, I would say instead of using a compiler, do them using hand on a pen and paper. Use pen and paper to answer the questions.
Okay.
So we can do that.
So Manish is saying, sir, how to start preparation as I am 4th semester student?
So you have a lot of time with you. I think you can make it in your first attempt only if you prepare seriously. So start with any subject that you are comfortable with. Take it maths, DLC or anything. Just start it and don't wait for any faculty to complete the course in your college. Start it, don't think that this course will start in final year, so I'll study in final year. Start as much as early you can and give test and enjoy life.
Okay. So Teju is asking, sir, Manish, bro, please tell me your daily timetable for preparing GATE. I think we already done this one, right?
Already done this.
Okay. And Vipal is asking, sir, okay, tell us about computer organization preparation.
See, there are some topics in CO, they are fairly easy, and every year questions are asked from them, like the cache memory or basic pipelining. So you need not cover anything. Everything takes you as a last subject to cover up, and after you have done everything and you are left with time, then cover the other subjects. And in CO don't leave the things that are very easy and scoring things like pipelining and the cache memory hierarchy and these type of questions.
Okay, Vishwanil, thank you so much for appreciating. So we are going to most probably make this post guidance video. We already done a lot of sessions for the post guidance. So maybe we are going to do 1 or 2 more videos for post guidance. Okay, so Aditya is saying, as most questions are not repeated in GATE, so how did you solve the never seen before questions, or how did you develop your thinking in that way?
See, I have solved plenty of questions in GATE Overflow. Plenty I think there are 10k plus questions and even more than that. So I solved a lot of questions, participated in discussions over there. I took around 4 test series. So I solved as much as I could.
You're taking texts from every institution?
4.
4, okay. Yeah. Okay, so that means you solved a lot of questions.
I solved a lot of questions.
Tens of thousands of questions.
A lot of questions.
Okay. And Nikhil asking, I have started my preparation with computer organization and digital, but people you say you should start with discrete mathematics and DS. Does it matter which subject you start first?
So I think people suggest start with discrete mathematics because it makes things easy to understand in other subjects also. For example, if you are good with discrete mathematics, you will find other things also quite understandable. So that's why I think people suggest. And CO, I think most people think it as the last subject to prepare.
Okay, so Lakshman, you are asking wrong question at wrong time. Just message me on Facebook, I'll answer your doubt. Okay. And Sumit is saying, sir, what about computer architecture? I think it is the toughest subject in GATE. Do you think it is the toughest subject?
Yeah, I also didn't prepare CO completely. Just covered those portions from whom the questions are mostly asked.
Okay, so I personally thought that compiler design is the toughest subject.
Okay.
I found that CO is easy, but compiler design is tough. Okay, fine. So Manish is saying, sir, thanks sir for answering me. How to manage college schedule and self-study? It's a major problem for me.
See, I don't know about how your college is, how the faculty in your college is.
Mm-hmm.
I bunked a lot of classes. I never gave them the assignments.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't prepare for the college exams very seriously. I just went many times to give the exam.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on you to choose your priority, what is more important for you, getting a CGPA of 8 or 9 or getting a good rank in GATE.
Okay, so Gaurav, for any queries regarding that, you can visit my website, or you can just check out the contact numbers given on the channel. So we can discuss about that. Okay, so there are 38 people online, sir. they're watching it, do you have any message which you want to give to them?
So I would say start preparing as soon as you think you should be preparing for GATE, and be good with your concepts, practice questions, and be confident and consistent with your preparation. It will get you good rank.
Great. So when I said 38, now it's 45.
Oh.
Okay, fine. So great. So do you have any other questions which you want to ask from Manish? You'll be getting a lot of questions. People are increasing, I think, because we just started the stream, no? So in the first hour, we get somewhere around 60 to 70 people. So sometimes you also get 200 plus people on the live stream. So right now 48 people are watching. Okay, what is the best month for starting test series after completion of whole syllabus?
See, I started my test series from the month of August. So means I started from August. So you can start as soon as you finish your syllabus.
Okay. So Lakshmi is asking, sir, order of GATE subject should be started.
See, the order is not defined. It depends on completely on you. Means for me, it was DLC, TOC, compiler, then OS, CN. Means I started many things together also. So it depends on you.
Okay, Pankaj is saying, sir, how to fully focus on studies? Only one aim study. My mind is
Understand this some side business.
going to start some side business or outsourcing the project. I have earned 25k per month through outsourcing, but want to focus on GATE.
So it depends on you whether you want to earn money or.
Okay. See, Pankaj, you have to choose your priorities. What is your current
depends
priority?
on priority.
Right. So if you go for side businesses, then you will not be able to earn. So you will not be able to study. Right. So earning and study both are sometimes both of them don't go parallelly. So better is you choose your priority and accordingly you start working on them.
Aditya.
How to proceed with subject? Watch videos related to it from online courses, then solve previous year questions and it.
Yeah, means for each subject, just get the concepts. It depends on you from where you get those, and after them solve GATE questions and then go to any test series if you have time left with you.
Okay, next question. You are not able to solve any question. Did you look directly to answer or go on to revise the concept again?
See, I solved most of the questions from GATE Overflow, so I bookmarked them most of the time and came back. Or there's an option of pin tab also. You can use that.
Okay, so Abhishek is saying, which is the best time to start preparation?
So actually no one knows the answer to this question. It depends on you, yeah.
Okay, GATE questions have same level as of product-based companies?
No. The GATE questions are fairly easy. Means, of course, if you compare the DS and algo questions, you can just do them using pen and paper. You don't need any compiler or nothing.
Okay,
and to answer most of the questions related to algo, you don't need to know how it is implemented also.
Okay, some Prateek is asking, what is your CGPA?
CGPA.
They're asking personal questions.
So my CGPA is 6.5.
Oh, that's good.
And I'm from College of Technology, Pandnagar.
And what is your direct multiplier for CGPA? Is it multiplied by 10 for percentage?
10.
So that is your percentage 65.
Yo.
You're on the line. You have to improve your percentage. Okay. So what are your future plans, Utsav?
So I'm going to IIT Bombay for masters.
Nikhil saying, for TOC, which book you prefer, Peter Lynch or Cohen or Ullman?
See, I mostly made my notes from video lectures and solved problems for them.
So Lakshmi is asking, sir, you are final year. Yes, he's in final year.
Yes, I'm in final year, an electrical engineer.
He's an electrical engineer, guys, and even from electrical engineering background, he given GATE examination from computer science and he qualified with top ranks. Okay, so how to prepare short notes? Just sum up all the formulas or something else too?
Means make notes. Means short notes means whenever you read something, means from some PDF or standard textbooks, just write something that you think it is important. Means that is important to recall that concept.
Okay, Pratibha is asking, I'm very much afraid of calculus. How to prepare for that? Should I skip it or read only basics?
Don't skip calculus because the questions asked are from limits, maximum, minimum, and that are fairly easy. So you need just watch some videos or read any textbook. Means maths is very easy for GATE. Don't leave it.
Okay. And so Gaurav saying is, sir, sorry to ask, but I joined the stream late. Okay. They'll be saying, what is the minimum rank in GATE CSE for PSUs?
So obviously I'm not
Okay, all India rank
eligible
1 is a
for.
minimum.
I'm not eligible
Yeah.
for PSUs as I'm
Still, all
from
India rank 1 is
electrical
minimum.
engineering. Obviously.
Okay, so Sumit saying, is it compulsory to go for coaching or self-study is sufficient, or after the test series are important?
See, self-study is sufficient. Means I've said it many times that you need to know concepts. It depends on you from where you get. If you think that you don't, means your faculty is very bogus and they don't teach well and you cannot study on your own, join coaching.
Okay. And Vishwanil saying, from where can I get computer application organization deep concepts? I'm going to upload videos for COA, don't worry. Okay, so
R&D.
say something about core R&D. I think he is not still having a lot of experience for discussing about R&D. So I'm going to do a live stream later on for R&D. I've done some work in research and development, so I'm going to do that. So Bhaskar is saying, how can I motivate during preparation? Because sometimes when we complete one subject and when asked questions are not solving, then what to do? That time I get frustrated.
See, this phase occurs in everyone's life, means everyone who prepares for GATE. So you need to be calm during that phase, means learn the concept from some other source. For example, if you're not able to solve the question, ask others or read the concept again, try it again. And still you don't get see the solution and enjoy.
So Gaurav is asking, did you prepare, sir, by coaching or through self-study? I think he has done coaching for the first 6 months and then he prepared by his own for one whole year. Okay. So which books you prefer for GATE preparation?
So regarding books, I've only studied Galvin and rest of my preparation is from videos only.
Okay. And I think he's asking, are you confident before writing GATE examination and get this rank?
See, I kept the papers of 2016 untouched. So in the month of Feb, I wrote 2016 Set 1 and Set 2. In Set 1, I got around 73.33 marks. And in Set 2 of 2016, I got 80 plus marks. So I was pretty confident that I would get a good rank. But of course not 28.
Hi Anvesh, and he's congratulating you.
Thank you.
So he's saying that I'm 2016 pass out, got 9800 rank, so I dropped a year for 2017 and got 5784. Feeling depressed with full effort. Also, I was not able to achieve. You will be able to achieve if you want
Next
to.
year.
If you will be able to achieve next year, don't worry. You just have to do some sincere effort. With sincere effort, you will be able to do anything. Okay, so Vivek Singh, have you read standard reference books? If yes, then which one? And do you recommend coaching or self-study? We have already answered the question about coaching or self-study. Okay, and do you recommend any standard books? Do you have read standard books?
See, I read standard textbooks only when when I think that I'm not able to solve questions. Then only I referred the standard textbook only for that specific topic.
Okay, so Aditya is asking, should I read concept topic wise for a subject and simultaneously solve previous year questions topic wise, or complete syllabus for a subject fully then solve it?
See, I firstly completed the complete syllabus and then I did the past year problem.
Okay.
So it depends on you. What you
Right.
do.
So I want to give last attempt to GATE 2018. How should I start my preparation now? Give me suggestions.
So regarding suggestions, so I would say be good with your concepts, solve problems. You should give more focus to GATE questions than the test series. Learn from the GATE questions.
Okay. So you can ask the answers and you can discuss about the questions. Sachin sir, do you want to come for some?
Also, 2-year dropout, GATE 16 is continuing. So I'm tech.
Just give me a second.
16. GATE. Sorry.
Okay, you go there on that seat. That's okay, fine.
I have Sachin here, already ranked 33 of 2017.
Hello all. So you were answering something?
And we are that Sairam.
So Sairam is asking that I'm 2015 pass out, 2-year dropout, GATE 16, 16K, GATE 17, 5K. So should I go for MTech or again drop one more year? What do you suggest?
GATE 16, 17 to 5K.
He got 16K rank in GATE 16 and 5K rank in GATE 17. Currently he is having best rank 5K.
Achha.
Where is Sairam question? This one.
It doesn't have to get up GATE 16. Should I do MTech? See, it depends on you whether you want to get a job or to do MTech from a good college. So I would personally suggest you to drop an year and give your full efforts this time.
Sairam, see, my suggestion is you are 2015 pass out and I am also 2015 pass out. So actually, if I were on your situation, then it all depends on you. I must say that follow your heart. If you are really if you really think that you can get top 100 rank next year, then you should try. But I suggest that you should go for MTech, because dropping a year is a risk. Because after three years of continuously drop, you may not able to get a job next year also. So do MTech or job, but target for get 2018 also, either with MTech or job. Nikhil is asking that how did you manage the exam pressure on the given day?
See, on the exam day, I didn't had any pressure. I was confident enough to perform well, so I started performing, solving the questions. They were easy. I kept on going. So finally, it was over.
Okay. Gaurav is saying that, sir, I am first year CSE department. Can you help me? Which video lecture do you follow? Have you followed any video lectures or anything else?
See, I watched Ravindra sir's videos, so it depends on you.
So Gaurav, it all depends on you whether you find
maybe you have good faculty in your college, so you can follow them too.
Right. I'm in 4th year. So when do you start coaching for GATE? You are already in 4th semester. Okay, so in 4th semester, I suggest that you should do your engineering well, as you are in 2nd year, right? So do engineering well, core subjects well, and when you are in 3rd year, then you can join a GATE coaching. Right, Manish? Manish Pushkar is asking that I can't clear this time. What should be my approach this time? Okay, should I answer this?
Yes, sir.
I can't clear this time. So you were not able to clear this time. So see, this question is very generic, and answer of this question is only the answer of this question can be answered by only you, because you only know your mistakes or your weaknesses. So as a third person, we cannot answer this question, but we would only say that identify your mistakes, identify your weaknesses, and work on them.
What is the next question?
Preet is asking that which channel videos you prefer most for GATE preparation. We already answered this question. Singha Mandal is asking that, sir, you are in final year, right? So how did you manage submission, project assignment, 7 semester and GATE preparation all? So this is really a good question, and I want Manish to answer it very well, because this is a common question that most of the 4th year aspirants is having.
See, I bunked a lot of classes. I never submitted assignment, seriously, and still I don't do my final year project. And so my priority was GATE, so I kept my EE studies aside, and I think that's the reason I got a good rank.
Ankit is asking that I'm in 3rd year and I completed 2/3 part of GATE syllabus. Okay, 2/3 part of GATE syllabus. Then how to manage these subjects to remember all formulas? See, in computer science, I don't see much of the formulas, so I don't know which stream you are asking, and I don't see any formula in computer science. So we can have Manish for to answer this question.
See, there isn't any formula. All the things are conceptual. You just need to learn them, grab them, and just solve the problems.
Try the tech is asking that I'm in 4th sem. How to start preparing for? Okay, he already answered this question. And KK Music Grove is saying hi. Movie. Who is this? Abhilash is asking that I got 2000 rank this year. What should I do now? Okay, so you are asking options. So Manish.
See, it completely depends on you what you want. If you want to do MTech, or you want to do a job, or you want to do something else.
We'll be discussing the post-grade guidance. Okay. So here they can ask questions related to preparation only.
Okay. Abhilash, these kind of questions, if you want to do post-grade counseling, then we will do a separate video for that. Chandan is saying that best coaching for GATE 2018.
So I think you are asking wrong question at wrong time and wrong place. Okay. So
again, next question is
we are not promoting any coaching, either it is mine or any other faculty who is giving lectures online or any other institution. If you are going to ask us the questions related to the coaching institutions or the video lectures, then obviously we are not going to answer it. So better is please don't ask such type of questions.
Sunny is asking.
I want to get into teaching, so I want to do MS Research plus PhD from IIT. So I think you should answer this one.
No, sir will answer. Himanshu sir will
So
answer.
MS research with PhD, that is also a good option. It's worth it actually. So all that matters is if you want to do something good in research, if you have interest in that, then you can definitely do it.
Actually, he want to do teaching.
Yeah,
for
so
that.
that's good. So definitely you can do it.
If you are getting a good IIT and good professors, then you should join it. Rahul is saying that congrats Manish.
Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you. Lakshman is asking Sachin sir best online again. Lakshman again same question.
Actually, asking the same question
Okay.
from the beginning once itself.
Shobha is asking that what strategy to follow
to
crack
crack
gate. Manish.
See, I've said it many times that means get your concept right, follow the gate questions, means solve the gate questions as many times as you can, then go to test series, analyze your mistakes, and be confident during this whole procedure, and give the gate exam.
Okay, Ashish is asking that. Ashish is saying that congrats sir for your rank, and this time I'm not qualified gate, so please tell me approach. I couldn't prepare all subjects, only 3 subjects I prepared. So sir, please what to do next month.
So start preparing the other subjects that you have left. Means choose your priority, which one should be first, which one should be second or third. So start them, follow books or anything that you want to,
And do revision properly. That is very important. Is personal interview is taken in IITs if I have low CGPA but good rank in gate?
see, every college has a different criteria and depends on how low your CGPA is, because low is not defined. Because someone may consider a GPA of 6 as low, and someone may consider a GPA of 8 also low. So it depends what is low.
Rishi is asking that I'm in fourth semester. How should I start preparing for gate? See, you are in 4th semester, so I already answered this question. Do your core subjects well, and when you are in 3rd year, start preparing gate focused. Right now you are in 4th semester, so I must suggest that till you are in 6th semester, you do not need to be very much gate focused. But once you are in 6th semester, you should start gate focused preparation. Now you have to solve all the previous year questions which core courses you have already done.
Okay, so better is if you answer unique questions only, because the recordings of these videos may be available later on, whatever we have done doing online.
Okay.
So because the repeated questions, there's no point of answering them again and again.
Thanks, Samajal.
Thank you, Sumajal. He's congratulating both. Thank you. Gaurav is asking that, sir, how to stay motivated and maintain the valor? Can you tell me how to maintain the focus all the time? How did you do it? For me, it's a long journey of 4 years before appearing for GATE. So we actually did not we did not get your question. You are in 1st year.
How to stay motivated?
For me, it's a long journey of 4
year
years.
and he's preparing for GATE examination.
Okay. So you are in 1st year. So we must say that enjoy your college well and do your core subjects actually. If you are if you are good with your core subjects, then you will easily crack GATE. But generally what happens after 3rd year or 4th year, people got aware about doing GATE. So you are already in 1st year. Do your core subjects well, solve all previous year questions, you will easily get a good rank. Vinod is asking, if I solve past previous 16 years question, then what would be the chance to get into top 100? Manish.
16 years past question. See, if you solve those questions very good, means nicely, if you understand everything the question wants to say, means for example there is a question having 4 options, so understand each option is not the right one. So I think it depends on how you solve it, and I think it is good enough to get you in top 100 if you have good concepts.
Sir, when will you do your post counseling session?
In the coming days, maybe within the next week. So we are going to plan a post-GATE counseling session, but see, all depends on the availability of the other people. Like we have Himanshu Pandey Bhardwaj sir, and he's already ranked 21. He's currently working in IOCL. Before IOCL, he worked with ONGC, and he also took admission in ISRO, that is IIC Bangalore. So he left IIC Bangalore for ONGC and IOCL. So he's the best person to do the post-GATE counseling, but it all depends on his availability. Generally, the Saturdays and Sundays are off with him. So maybe in the coming Saturdays and Sundays, we are going to do post-GATE guidance.
Okay, thank you, sir. Saspat Senapati is asking, is it possible to crack GATE with job? As I have failed miserably this year, I am looking to get a job with and give GATE again 2018. What will be the good idea? So, okay. See, in job you are already spending time of 7 to 8 hours in job. You have to be very much motivated and determined. If you are motivated and determined and you can manage your time, then of course you can clear your GATE. And there are not one or two examples, actually numerous examples are there. So if they can do it, then you can also do it, but you have to manage your time. Rishi is asking that how do I keep myself motivated during this course of time? Manish,
What was that?
how do I keep myself motivated?
See, the motivation comes from internally. I was lucky to have a good teacher at 10+2. So he told me the value of time early in life. I remember my teacher saying कि अगर तुम क्या कहते हैं एक दिन में 2 घंटे सोओगे तो मर नहीं जाओगे. So I know, means he was a great teacher. So I think that I carried that along with me, and I had an experience of 6 SSB. I know how it feels to be not selected. So I think that was with me internally, and I worked a lot to get this.
See, motivation you can take motivation from any event of your life or anyone. So it all depends on you that what motivates you. Actually, for me, talking to my mom or my dad is motivation was motivation for me. So it all depends on you. And if you have any role model or anyone, you can take motivation from them also. Badri is asking that.
So we go to any coaching center
in order to correct it.
So it depends on you. I have said it many times. It depends completely on you.
So if you are good with basics, then I must say that you should not join any coaching center, because it will be just waste of your time. But if you are not good with basics, then you should join a coaching. And I am not saying that if you can get an online coaching, it will be better, because online coaching can save your time, and it is portable and compatible. You can watch lectures anytime, anywhere. Saurabh is asking that I am completed diploma in ECE, then completed BTech in ECE. How can I start preparation for GATE 2018? So
see, you are from ECE, so you don't know anything about the CS subjects. So it is good that you have not been taught anything wrong by your faculties and colleges. So you can start by referring to textbooks or any videos that you like. So I think there are many non-CSE students that have scored very good in this time. Many are in top 100. So
okay, thank you. Aditya is asking that, Sachin sir, as you said, you are 2015 pass out. So did you do job from 2015 and prepare side by side? No, actually I had a job for 2-3 months only, but I immediately resigned because I was not feeling a comfortable environment. I was feeling that this environment will spoil my upcoming few years. So I resigned it and took a gap and prepared from home last year. But unfortunately I was not so much determined, so I did not able to clear GATE, and I ended up with getting 1100 rank. Then I came here in Delhi to have a good environment. Actually, the only reason to be in Delhi, to have a good culture, good environment, and a competitive environment. And then obviously if you are studying hard, then you can obviously make it. Please make video with civil toppers, sir. Himanshu sir.
We are working on it. Definitely we'll do something for civil and mechanical.
Okay.
4th sem CS. I'm in 4th sem CS and I want to prepare for GATE exam, but I'm having fear about my academics. So do I prepare completely for GATE or look for my academics? See, if you want a good rank in GATE, you want to do my master's, so your CGPA doesn't matter much. So because a CGPA of 8 or 9 doesn't guarantee you a good performance in GATE. So choose wisely between academics or GATE.
And you can also manage both, because to do good in academics you don't need to push hard, because to do good in academics you just need to you are studying only a day before exam, so you can study two days before exam, and whole semester you can prepare for GATE.
See, virtual calculator is not much required for GATE CS students, but still you can practice it.
Manish is asking, sir, I already have completed course and done the coaching. Should I do coaching again or do self-study this time?
See, doing coaching is not important. The matter is, do you understand it or not? do you understand what is going on in each subject or not. So if you don't, you should go to coaching if you feel like, and you should self-study if you think that I can do it myself.
Yes, actually, if you think that you already know most of the concepts that are being taught in coaching, so no need to do coaching again. But if you think that that coaching was not worth and I should repeat coaching, then you should go for coaching. Or the only condition you should go for coaching is that coaching is adding any new concept to you. If that is not the case, then you should do self study only. Saurabh, okay. Ayushi Gupta, how to keep memory already. We already answered some of the questions, so we are not going to repeat that. Apart from GATE syllabus, do you learn any other CS technology like Hadoop and Java etc? Manish.
See, I learned a Python, a basic web development skills in my second year. So I think I mostly forgot those things because it was a 1.5 year of CS preparation, means GATE CS preparation. I'll be revisiting all these things now.
And Chetan, for me, I'm good in Java, and my BTech project, BTech project was in Hadoop. So for me, I learned both the technology in college itself, but after college, I just focused on GATE only. Some Pratik is asking, is personal interviews taken in IIT? If you already answered this question, I think. Okay. Akash is asking, what is approach for technical study? Is understand. Okay, Amit, is there any problem if we have 2-year gap period after BTech for GATE? See, there won't be any problem if you finally cracked it. If you are getting a not a good rank in GATE and you already made it to 2-year gap, then it will be problem in your future. But eventually, if you are cracking GATE, then it won't be problem in any IIT or ISC, because at the end what matters is your knowledge and from where you are doing MTech. So gap does not matter, but at the end you have to crack it. That's the only thing. Since we have to apply individually, I don't know. Okay. What's the best thing in order to get? Badri is asking that what is the best rank in order to get into old IITs?
Best? It's already rank 1. Obviously.
Badri, actually your question is wrong. You should say that what is the lowest rank possible to get into old IIT. So to make it to old IIT, I think that under 300 must be there, and it all depends on your category. But for general, under 300 or 400 must be there.
As the CS cast there, and it necessary for not, please tell us. No idea.
Is the SC caste there is interview necessary? Please. In SC caste, I think it. Actually, we don't have much idea about. We both are from general category, so we will let you know later. Okay.
No idea. MTech students get more salary than BTech.
Does MTech students get more salary than BTech in PSU? In PSU, it does not really matter if you are MTech or BTech. It all depends on your particular PSU. PSU does not differentiate between MTech and BTech. Is there any interview after going into IIT by GATE? See, every IIT has its own criteria. If you are applying for IIT Bombay RA, then they have interview IC Bangalore.
After getting into IIT, he's asking
after getting into IIT by GATE.
So
actually, the question is still ambiguous. After getting into IIT, why will they take interview?
So you'll be having interview for placements after 2 years.
Nice answer. I completed BTech last year, 2016, and preparing for next year, 2018. Is there any problem for 2-year gap? As we already answered, it won't be any problem. But the only thing is you have to crack it after in 2018. If you are not able to crack, then it might create a problem. So do your best and crack it in 2018 itself. But once you get any IIT or ISC, it won't be problem there. Praveen is asking that, sir, I am in second year semester, how to prepare for GATE? Manish,
The same repeated question.
I've answered it many times. 3-4 times I've already answered it.
Chetan, should I be GATE syllabus focused or technology focused like Hadoop and Java? See, the question is that you are asking a question that should I do MTech or should I pursue my career in this technology? So it all depends on you. If you are much interested in these technologies, then you will have much exposure in IITs and ISC. So it depends on you that you are how keen you are interested in these technologies.
Congratulations.
Dilip, congratulations both to get good rank in GATE. Thank you, Dilip. Most of the mistake during the preparation of GATE, and also you have done mistakes. Manish.
See,
So-
we all do mistakes, means we are also human beings. So the mistakes can be like studying a lot in one day and not studying anything for the other day. And also it happened with me that I was seasoned for many days and didn't study. So it happens, and it's a part of life of everyone. What matters is how you study, the time you study.
Thank you, Abhijit. Abhijit is congratulating.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dilip is saying that give the avoid these mistakes. Kabel is asking that congratulations, but what's your wrong discussion that you did not get a year one?
Okay,
Wrong
so
decision.
you said na कि you did not get AIR in the first video.
Acha, that's for you.
That's sorry.
Okay,
It's
okay.
fine.
Okay, one
See.
mistake you have done because of which you cannot.
Okay, you are asking that why I was not able to make top 10 or AIR one. See, if actually everyone do mistakes, and I also did. I also committed mistakes in exam. So to get AIR one, we have to be very much fluent in questions. If a easy question comes, then we don't have to give a second thought. Question comes and answer comes. It should be like this. So I think that lack of practice did not did not make it to because of lack of practice. I did not make it to AIR one or under 10.
Oh, yes, yes, studying.
Dheeraj is asking, I have done coaching and some of the subjects is not clear. Should I again join the coaching? This time GATE was not clear. So you have already done. Manish, please answer.
See, I have answered a lot about the coaching. Means it depends on you. Yeah. Means I've talked a lot about this. So like the next question.
How many hours you read per day for the GATE? Manish again.
See, I studied about 6 to 7 hours on a daily basis.
Aditya, Sachin sir, did you apply for any PSU, and does gap after BTech or poor project in BTech affect PSU recruitment IIT admissions? See, in admission or PSU recruitment, it does not really matter if you have high GATE score. Then in most of the PSU, 75% of GATE score is considered. So there won't be any problem if your GATE score is really good. And same happens with IITs also.
What is that? In GATE 2017, I got 304 and I have a TCS job. I did not TCS.
Hertz is asking that, sir, please guide to prepare SEM wise from GATE 2019 from 5th SEM. We already answered this question.
GATE 2016, 17.
See, you have TCS offer, so it's really a great thing. Actually, you have TCS offer because TCS joining comes in December or maybe Jan. So or maybe later also. So you have your whole year and without making it drop. So prepare hard till November and December. In which SEM I should start preparing for GATE 2019 mechanical. See, there is nothing like in which SEM you should start preparing as early as you can. The answer of this question is this only. Sir, will I get NIT or go for self study? Will I get NIT or go for self study?
So what is your rank or marks?
Abhishek Datta is asking, sir, please suggest a basic book of digital electronics. Manish.
So Morris Manu is a good book for DLC.
Amit, I have average marks in BTech and 3 years gap. Is it a problem? Amit, please write your GATE score and GATE rank. Then only we can answer this question.
The population is studying about mechanical engineering. See, we have no idea about mechanical engineering.
Shubham is asking that which book publication is good for studying in our own for mechanical engineer. See, we cleared GATE with computer science, so for mechanical I don't have much idea.
No idea, bro.
No idea. Dilip is asking, you know FT and math is important for CS. It is covered 20 to 50, 20 to 25 how to prepare for FT.
See, the aptitude questions that come in GATE, they are fairly easy. You can do it even if you see them first time, but it is good to prepare because you will not want to lose marks in FT section, so prepare them.
Chandresh is asking that can weak student in mathematics can answer GATE mathematics by preparation?
Yes, everything is possible with preparation. You can even answer tough questions with preparation.
GP, we have already answered this question that you are in 4th semester and IT stream. We have already answered these kind of questions. What is difference between GATE score and GATE marks? See, GATE score comes out of 1000 and GATE marks comes out of 100. These are calculated. The GATE score is calculated based on GATE marks only.
That is a relative value. Only rank one get GATE score of 1000.
Yeah.
Others get a relative mark.
GATE score is relative. If All India rank 1 is always get GATE score of 1000, and the lesser you rank, the lesser GATE score will be.
It's from next. It's about marks.
Next.
Blink करो.
It's possible to get a good NIT. The rank less than 1000.
Badri is asking that is it possible to get a good NIT with a rank of less than 1000? Yes, of course you can get NIT Allahabad, I think, or in sport round you can try good top 3 NIT also. Chetan is asking that have you applied any international? Just a second. Have you applied any international certifications, OGCPA and Cloudera? I have not applied. Actually, I was planning to do OCJP, but I have not. I have not thought about it further. Kabul is saying that what's the chance to when you have get. Actually, English is wrong. You have get 40 to 50 marks in GATE 2017. 40 to 50 marks in GATE 2017. You can get. You can try for NITs only, or triple ITs maybe. Ankit is saying an year dropper for an EC guy to switch to CS. Is it feasible to continue with EC? Manish.
See, to switch to CS. See, if you're interested in CS, you should go with it. I'll suggest you that because I did the same.
Because see, he is the best example for this one.
Yeah.
Manish is from electrical background and still he given GATE examination for computer science, and even he scored he scored into top ranks. So if you want, you can do it.
अतुल इज सेइंग दैट सर मैंने 12th के बाद 2 years का गैप है, देन बीटेक के बाद मेरा 1 year की प्रिपरेशन बट कुडंट गेट गुड रैंक. 12th के बाद 2 year का है और बीटेक के बाद 1 year. शुड आई कंटिन्यू फॉर गेट 2018 और शुड आई गो फॉर एमटेक? For again these kind of questions we have never been into these situations, so it's all about personal choices. If you ask anyone, even in the person who is in ISC or IIT Bombay or any college, they cannot answer this question because this is only about personal choices,
Because they haven't gone through
these situations, and even they have gone through these situations. It's about personal decision that how confident you are to clear GATE. Again, Vidyadhar is saying that Sachin and Manish, congratulations. Sachin, which institute go join ISC or IIT? Thank you, Vidyadhar. We have not decided yet.
Mukund.
Oh, Mukund is your friend.
No.
Okay.
He is asking which book is best for electrical engineering for preparation of GATE.
2018.
So
again, no idea about it. Manish, you have any idea?
Although I am from electrical engineering, I know what books my friends study, but I think
We are not right guy to answer these kind of questions actually. Gaurav is asking which book is best for GATE preparation for CSE student. See, if you see any toppers blog or if you Google it out, there is not so much books, and these are limited number of books that are standard books and that are widely popular. So you do not need. There is no much controversial number of books. So you can Google it out easily. You can find it. I am a EC student, second year. How can I prepare for GATE 2019? Again, a wrong place to answer. Wrong place to wrong place to ask this question, because we are a computer science guys, so we cannot answer this question. How did you manage 6 hours time for GATE preparation in between college studies?
See, I got up early in the morning at around 3 or 4 a.m. So you can get easily, means there are a lot of time, and I bunked the whole classes a lot of time. So means around 5 days in a week I was in my hostel. So it was easy for me to prepare.
I'm in 4th sem EC. Should it be useful if you join a 2-year integrated course for GATE coaching? If we join a 2-year integrated course for GATE coaching, then how it will be useful for you? Okay, so your question is 2-year integrated course for GATE coaching. See, again, these are personal decisions. If you feel good in your basics, then there is no need of coaching. And if you don't feel good, then you should go for coaching.
Okay, Kabil is asking, sir, 28 aa gayi.
Why there is less scope for EC guys cover? Because every guy is landing in an IT company at the end of the day. See, Manish, would you like to take this question?
Which question?
He is asking that why there is less scope of EC guys.
Because every is landing in a company and that. Yes, it's a very true, because no matter which branch you take in BTech, most of the students go to IT companies. I've seen it myself in my college. So generally for EC students, means most of the students go to PSU after a GATE rank, and means students rarely prefer to go to MTech because they go to PSUs after MTech also.
Okay, let me tell you a very simple example why electronics communication placements are not there. Because most of the products which are for electronics and communication, Chinese companies make those products, and those products are very cheap. For example, if you set up a plant for creating a circuit, even for mobile phone in India, that simple circuit will cost you 1,000 rupees. The same circuit, if you design the same circuit in China, because the labor cost is so low that same circuit will cost you 200 to 300 rupees. And even by giving import duty, it will give you to cost you 300 to 400 rupees. So that is why the most of the electronics market is taken over by China and Japan and these countries. So in India, only assembling is there. We are not producing the products. We are just assembling the products which are coming from there. And for assembling, they need diploma guys, and not BTech guys. So that is why the number of jobs in private companies, in core companies in electronics and communication and electrical is very less as compared to computer science and IT. India is booming in computer science and IT.
That's
Yes.
Gaurav. Thank you. Manish.
Gaurav saying thank you, Manish.
You're most welcome, bro.
Thank you.
So I just crack exam.
Should I just go for crack exam, or should I go to gain knowledge?
So if you gain knowledge, cracking exam is a byproduct that you get from it.
See, if you are gaining knowledge, then you will automatically crack the exam.
Right.
Mukand is saying, hello sir, how to prepare for general aptitude? For general aptitude, I must suggest that if you are doing all previous year aptitude questions, that are much enough, and if you still do not feel confident, then try for 2-3 tests. KK Singh, how much GATE marks are required for SC caste? We already denied this question. Chandresh, how Ravindra lectures? See, Chandresh, please don't ask these kind of questions here, because we cannot promote or demote any coaching, and these are again personal choices. So you can join any coaching, it depends on you.
Oh.
Okay, Dheeraj is asking that how to study in last 3 months in second attempt.
You can answer
Okay.
this better.
See, yes, that was my second attempt. Before 3 months, you have to cover your syllabus thoroughly. If you cover your syllabus thoroughly, then do all previous year questions twice, thrice, 4 times as much as possible, and test paper. Just practice, theory, practice. This is in loop. Theory, practice, nothing else. But don't waste time. That's the only thing I can say. Aspirant is saying that, is it must to solve standard author exercise to get a good rank, or just getting concept from standard book is enough? See, aspirant, I just say, at the end you should be able to solve all previous year gate questions. This should be your motto. So if you are getting concept by solving standard book questions or standard book theory, or both, or whatever, at the end you should be able to know the questions. So if you are doing both, then it will be great. It will be really helpful to your gate preparation.
Is it better to gate and IIT?
See, when Venkata is asking, is it better to do gate and join IIT, or to do MS by writing GRE? See, again, this is a subjective question, and this cannot be answered here. It again a personal choice. So it depends on you actually.
Please list the books for GATE CSE exam.
Please list the books of GATE CSE exam.
See, just Google search and next step you'll get the answer.
Right.
Okay. Just wind up the stream in the next 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. So we are going to sum up. We are going to finish this stream. If you in next 5 to 10 minutes, if you have any, we are just searching in comment box. If we have any good query, then we will answer that. See, all the queries are almost repeated, so we are searching for new queries only.
सर गेट एग्जाम के लिए इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन्स
सबसे ज़्यादा स्कोरिंग
भाई इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन्स को समझ नहीं आई आज तक. Sometimes the questions come beyond our range, that doesn't mean
कर दूँ सर.
हम बस 5 मिनट और क्या, तो कुछ नए क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, 5 मिनट वाइंड अप करो.
The question is, Chandresh asks a question that how many times to revise each subject before the GATE exam?
See, if I say that only, if I say 10 times, then will you able to do it? If the answer of these kind of questions is like as many times as you can, and there is no point of revising the same notes again and again. If you're revising, then you should be able to add something new to your theory or your concept. Sir, how do you manage emotional stability? It comes hard. So see, it's yes, it's all about motivation. How much motivated you are towards the exam.
What was your score in first full mock test?
See, my score was, I think, 50 to 55. In between 50 to 55, my marks was that in first test, and later obviously that was a test without any revision and any much practice, but later obviously eventually it was improved. So about Manish?
So I took my first full length test in Jan, so and I got around 68 marks in that test.
68 marks,
Yeah.
first test, okay. But it was on January, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
क्लासरूम कोचिंग बाद में तो उसके बाद बोल सकते हो कि नहीं 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 सकते. इफ यू आर प्लानिंग, मतलब सोचा है अगर आपने तो सोच के बोलना.
Anvesh is asking that, Sachin, what was your rank in 2015 and 16? Actually, in 2015, I was not much serious. So I was in 4th year, and I was not much aware about GATE. I got less than 50 marks. But in 2016, I got some. In 2015, actually, I got 45 something marks, and in 2016, I got 58 marks, and now I got 74 marks. Sunil is asking, the best way to clear GATE. Now I'm in 3rd year BTech. Again, repeated question is there. What to do in engineering college? How to utilize 4 years? Actually, balance your life. Do not only do fun. Do not only focus for academics. Balance life for both. Do academics well, but with fun. How many total openings are there in PSUs for CSE students? See, there are many PSUs. In last year, Power Grid was having only 4 to 5 vacancies, and this year more than 10 vacancies are there. So it is dynamic, it is not fixed. But around, if you are getting less than 160 rank, then you will be definitely making one of the PSUs.
Semester exam again. Great.
Okay, should we wind up, sir?
Yes.
So thank you so much, Arul, and just a second.
So thank you everyone for your wishes.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much for the wishes. So we are going to
Bye-bye.
do the post-grade session maybe in the next coming weeks. So please stay tuned to the channel and subscribe if you want to get all the latest information.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good night.